Hello. Today we are going to demonstrate SilverLeaf's seasonal value-added functionality. In a different video, we showcase how value-added items are used. So for this demo, we will not be covering how to set up value-added items. Instead, we will review how to set up what are called seasonal calendar codes and value-added hierarchies. We understand that value-added items are not constant across the season and can change not only seasonally, but annually as well. So we have developed functionality that allows your operation to set up various value-added scenarios to then set start and end dates as to when those value-added scenarios would be used. Users can set up as many calendar periods as needed to ensure minimal intervention for future years. Additionally, there may be overlaps with value-added scenarios, such as your standard value-added pack and say it's a Halloween pack. In these scenarios, we use value-added hierarchies to identify which value-added group takes priority when there is such an overlap. First, let's take a look at our seasonal calendars. Here you can see we have some holidays set up with start and end dates already. If you drill into one of these, you can see within the lines subform that we have extended our calendar date ranges far into the future years to ensure the system will always pick up recurring calendar events. Now we can go take a look at our value-added item group hierarchies. Here's where users can set up a value-added group specific to a customer or customer groups. Once the group is created, users can identify which value-added groups or scenarios should be included for this customer or customer group. Lastly, users can prioritize the value-added groups if necessary for any groups that may overlap with one another. This will ensure that on order's ship date that the correct value-added group is used. Let's take a look at a sales order with seasonal value-added set up against the customer. Once we get to our sales order that I've already created, we can scroll down to our horticulture subform and see that the default value-added group is our default value-added for this customer. But if we simply change our shipment date from the fall here, and let's change it out to say October 16th. Yes, we want to update our lines. The value-added group associated with this shipment date and this customer will update as we see here now in our horticulture subform. And we now should have our ghost stake as opposed to what was previously on there within our default pack as a bumblebee stake. Multiple items can be changed seasonally, but for this example, it was just this one value-added item of the stake. So if you're interested in learning more, please contact us today. Thank you so much.